Let miracles replace all grievances. This gets into the subject again about what is beyond your images. And we're actually referring to that holy spiritual universe, that transparent and illuminated reality. That you want to actually recognize, as much as to whatever degree you understand this is helpful, to whatever degree you apply this lesson is helpful. Okay? I'm simply stating that you want to continue to keep forgiving resentments and grievances because the reality of the spiritual universe is a transparent and illuminated reality. It doesn't look like this. There's a world behind this one, the images that you have made. So this is essentially what this course is really about, is finding the authority that can make the decision to ascend into an alternate dimensional reality perspective. This is what you're practicing through forgiveness. You take images of people that you have had a particular issues with, that you might be offended by or hurt by or something, and then you apply forgiveness to hopefully see the Son of God in them, and yet to reference to the Son of God in them seems like a separated idea of a Son of God. But in the actuality of what the Son of God you're referring to is the completely unified essence of the spiritual universe. Seeing the Son of God in its totality is you being forgiven, you being purified, in the sense of having those thoughts of true essence being reflected back. It has no and makes no difference what the other person is thinking or how much forgiving they have to do, because what is opening up in the world to you is seeing beyond grievances. Everyone, you see, will be applied. Everyone will be transparent and illuminated in the same sense as everything. And you would be as well. It is the one essence of the Son of God in which you would discover. The same Son of God in you as in anyone else. So we really have to embrace and recognize that this forgiveness process is something going on in ourselves. Regardless of how many people we do it with, it's still ideas we have in our minds. I cannot tell you, I remember who I applied this to the first time. Because to forgive is to forget. Through this whole process of applying this forgiveness, you literally start to forget the physical world and definitions you have of it. Entering into, naturally, the spiritual universe, a unified, purified essence that you have to think in correspondence with in order to experience. That's what you're doing with this course. You're learning how to think with the unified essence. Then you experience that unified essence. If you think in separate ways, separate thoughts, you experience separateness, separate bodies, separate wills. Forgiveness is the answer because it relinquishes our separate ideas. It relinquishes the separation concepts that we seem to live by. So miracles are a pretty interesting thing because it is something that is consistent and all the time in the illuminated, transparent reality, the spiritual universe. So you actually want to surrender these resentments and grievances and forgive them so that you can discover what true miracles are. You can start seeing the entire spiritual universe as it actually is, and therefore knowing your relationship with God forever.